Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw letter C. If you have not watched A and B, kindly check link in the description box below. First draw big C. Then small c. Join both the C's. Done. C for cat. First, we will draw small circle. Draw 6. Draw step by step with me, then add one straight line. For ear, you will draw triangle. Small circles for eyes. Small triangle for nose. And straight lines. Add one more straight line, then cat paws. An S-shaped tail. Our cat is almost done. Fill the eyes with black sketch pen or color. Add patterns like this. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And also fill our Google form given in the description box below to let us know our audience better by suggesting us your favorite cartoon character. Let's start coloring it. For C, we will use dark pink and yellow color. For cat, we will use dark yellow and deep brown color. For bell, we will use red color. C for cat is done. Thanks for watching.